Okay, so this is Monday 2024, and we are connecting with such a beautiful fellow community member. So, yeah, I wanted to understand what are your major concerns related to LinkedIn and in general, which you wanted to discuss. So, go ahead. Yeah.
I just want to know how to brand myself. I just recently joined, and then I got to know LinkedIn is a good platform as I'm looking for new job. Then lots of people just suggest me go to LinkedIn, update over there, so you will get a good opportunity or something. So I that's why I just connected. And now I just want to know learn. Actually, I can say I'm a fresher and fresher. I really don't know anything. Just
Oh,
okay, open the LinkedIn. That's it. Apply for jobs. That's it.
okay. Okay. Can you brief about yourself, like your professional journey, your educational journey, everything? Like, I want to know you,
Okay.
like that.
See, professional journey. I have completed my graduation in 2004. Then I joined the job as an account, basic account office assistant type. Then there I did ICA course, some industrial computer accountant, because I don't have a big, imaginary goal or something. I just joined to get a good job, good salary hike.
Hmm.
That's it. So I work, as a simultaneously lots of companies, small companies, as an accountant. Then I got to realize I have to do something. So I done MBA through correspondence from ICFA University, part-time MBA finance. Then in
Which year? Which year?
2000, I joined 2008, but it's a
Okay.
correspondence, so having the multiple challenge to give the exam timetable, then in the busy schedules. So it take almost 5 years to complete that. I completed in 2013.
Okay.
Yeah. Then in that my marriage was happened in 2013 only, and I
Hmm.
switched the job also because I did not. I'm just looking for the good job, but I actually there I did a mistakes. I because I'm on the basis of MBA, I have to look a job like that. But due to financial constraint, I just not take a job on my degree. I just go as in my work experience.
Okay.
So that's why
You
then
didn't have a mentor to guide you. What
no.
you should have connected to a mentor. Yeah. That time.
Yeah, actually, that time there is no concept for the mentors or something. Now you have to grow, grow, grow. That's it. Like you have to grow. When I met one person, I told I before joining, I joined MBA or CA or something. So I told, see, everything is there. I told, I want a settled life. So he told, no, 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 life is never be settled. You do. That's it. Such a type of mentor I got it. So I just confused. So I am doing nothing else.
Hmm.
So whenever I ask some, actually they that time also don't know no, the what is the career lineup. So they career graph. So that's why I joined in 2013, where I am as an account executive. But I actually grew more there because I get to work credit controller. I'm the accounts head department over there. As an I set up all account section over there, purchase, how the work, all SOPs and everything. So I almost worked 6 years over there, six and a half.
Okay. Same company.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that time, see, you just married. Then after 2 years, for after 3, 4 years, my pregnancy is there. So
Hmm.
when you are thinking about the switching, so the pregnancy, is a common issue for every woman in India,
Yes. Yes.
the
Yeah.
world. So obviously after that, bad incidents happen. My mother-in-law and my mother both are passed, within one span of 1 year when my son is born. So, that period is like who's taking care of him? How could then I will? So, shall I focus on career or a family? So, obviously, I focus on family only. So, now he is in 80 years old. So, now I'm ready to, then in that also, I changed job. And now I'm working in 20 logistics solution as in same position. But here also, I got the good opportunities. like I start work for the only GST purpose because I never work on a GST. So I think I will work GST and take the knowledge of GST. But here I come, I start work GST reconciliation, but my CEO given me the job of treasury management. So I'm doing a cash flow management here. Now he is also assigned me new job responsibility of audit. So I also need to look into audit. So I'm the one person, on a prime person in the audit now. So, but only the thing here while doing my designation and that my salary component did not raise that much, which I expect. I got the responsibilities. I'm the very known person in the company, vendor, and
You
but
didn't get the desired hike. Like it was very minimal.
yeah.
So what was your expectation in percentage and how much you got? Like you were expecting 50% and you got 10% like that. What?
Yeah, is 15. I'm expecting some 40%, but I got actually I got that, but not in the paper. I have the, they have given in a separate terminology. So
Okay.
not in my paper. The given, my directly means my CV is given on the basis of my performance, but for that, I did not get from my super boss. I
Okay.
have
Is
to
it like that you have been added with the responsibilities which talks volumes, okay, which talks about a good position which you were actually expecting, but the salary is not according to that.
yes,
You
because
have raised your ladder, but not in the terms of salary, but just position, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Only responsibility, but not by the designation also.
Okay, responsibilities are adding up. Designation didn't change, salary didn't change, didn't
Yeah.
increase.
Uh,
Oh, responsibilities got added,
uh,
designation not changed, and
so that's why
salary.
if I go to outside, I'm struggling now.
Okay, what is the situation currently? You want to switch job, or,
Yes.
or is there any possibility to make that happen in within your company internally?
See, what happened here in this area, no? Because of I'm moving to other work. So my directly boss and me having some issue, and that is actually clashes too much because obviously I'm unsatisfied and some lots of work is going, and I got a new role, and I am unable to adding in that. So and obviously he want to control. He wants to take care of the old responsibility with the new adding no new person. If new person is there, I have to take only and I have to hand over him. I have to take care of all the works, but he's not under me. He's not my. I'm not his reporting, but I have to take care of all the things. So I just fight for this. I won't be given like that. I told no, sorry. I already whatever the handover I already done with the whatever the concerned people. So if new people added, that is not my response. So I cannot take a control. So these clashes are going there. Lots of things happen. Then where its fight is go to the higher level. I just raise the I raise the
You have
HR.
mailed something, means is
Yeah.
it in the mail thread that you are
Yes.
telling these things? Yeah.
Who? Yeah, I have
In
the mail.
Oh, okay, you are talking all this in the mail, like properly communicating, or this has gone to higher levels through mail.
Higher level. It's gone.
Okay.
So, so some, they also support me. They told me, okay, we also want to grow something. So they
Are
also
they
take it.
trying to are they trying to keep you with giving you more salary? Like, have they
No, no, no.
spoken like that?
No, no. It's a clashes has happened. So like harassment type, something this type of one. I told him, no, no. He is too much angry. For small, small things, he just cracking, shouting. I don't like, and this is one harassment which has happened. So and he's in good books in companies, loyal person. So okay. So obviously, moreover, company will go in his side
Yesterday,
only.
yeah, yesterday also I was talking one on one with an, and she was also telling the same thing, that what is happening means people are mistreating in company,
Yes.
but this should not happen. No, matlab the work should be discussed, not these things.
Yes, they want to control. They think sometimes now what happen? They have jealous. They like ki somebody's come, so they will got the importance, and they want to control on us. And as we are the independent women, and we we actually reacting against, that is our default also, our fault also. We are just reacting on this. So we have to actually handle tactfully for this. I feel that actually lacking for this. Such situation. Sometimes I also feel ki ha, yeah, this is also happen. I also know because my popularity and everything is there. Because one incident happened, we go to warehouse just for the check the warehouse operation and just for the knowledge. When I went, everybody said hello because I'm releasing the payment. So everybody, ha. So it's like this is a start. Start being him. Yeah, now my importance going or something. But actually, sir has given me a separate work, and he's having a separate. He already make us separate, but still he wants control.
I always say feminism, okay. Women empowerment, okay. There should be classes for men. How to live with empowered women, how to live with women who are cracking it out in the space domain, because they just can't believe or they just can't digest this thing that, okay,
Yes.
one woman is better than them.
Huh.
I have faced it multiple times, and
Yes.
they have barred me from the groups. They have dominated
Ah.
every. They have said shit about me everywhere. That I have I have personally tolerated it.
No, no, no. Really, actually, last organization, same thing is happened. But that time, okay, I just, actually, that time I'm pregnant, so I did not
Retaliate that much.
retaliate. Ha.
Yeah.
Same thing has happened, I got the new responsibility credit. I feel ki, yeah, yes, my boss, directly boss saying me something. Yes, jail can do anything. So they always giving me a new responsibility. But between some people are coming, and actually that is a threat for me, and I'm not catching them.
Okay. So in sessions, we are told that we should not be picking up fight with our managers. We have to align any which ways with the manager, because we can't be surviving if we
Uh-huh.
do this. So do you want to continue this organization at any given instance, like, okay, if
No,
they,
no, no, no. I feel no.
no, it
No,
has been
why? Because
polluted.
see, again, if I do, but why should I do? The thing is, what should I do? If I get the better opportunity, if I get the better market things, why should I then? I will go some company where the good process, so I can learn more.
Okay,
Everything.
is it a mid-sized company or an established company, like
No,
startup,
it's
mid-sized?
no, not that much. This is a big size. Is a is a mid size, not a big.
Mid-sized.
Mid size.
Mid-sized. Okay, so you are in Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
Which part of Mumbai you are put up in?
Vadala. Actually, I'm
Vadal.
working in Delhi, but I'm in Vadala.
And you are properly from Mumbai, right? Born and brought up here only.
Yes, yes, in South
Okay.
Mumbai.
So
Nashik.
you must be looking opportunities there only,
Yes,
because it's not possible to relocate somewhere, right?
I'm thinking, but family matters. Otherwise, the employer thinking she will relocate or not. Because I kept my son school is Rayan International, and which is having a multiple branches all
Okay.
over India. All big cities having the branches.
Who else are there in your family?
No, we are nuclear family. So me, husband, and my son. That's it.
Okay. And your husband is into IT or something? What?
No, he's in supply chain management. He's in Voltas.
So you as a family have discussed about things like shifting to Bangalore or shifting to Hyderabad for better opportunities.
See, I'm just forcing to my husband also. Okay, there is a good opportunity in out of Mumbai actually. In Mumbai, having the opportunity, but we have to struggle a lot because there is for one opening, there is 1,000 people are there in the
Okay.
queue. But if you go other, so there is a 50 to 100. The percentage of people for applying,
Especially in Bangalore
ratio.
and Hyderabad.
Yeah, the ratio is lower. So there is a maximum chance to get well paid.
And at the cities like Bangalore has a facility that has too many options, because there are too many things here.
Yes.